Thursday, March 30th, Grant County winter storm watch. Actually, I think it's a warning now, 6 to 12 inches. Ice probably coming in as a little appetizer. Freezing rain, I should say.
Here's your KMSD forecast. A blizzard warning begins at noon tomorrow and continues until 7 a.m. Saturday. 27 tonight under cloudy skies, northeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. A mixture of precipitation likely tomorrow, 32. From the South Dakota State Lottery.
It is 34 degrees in Brookings, a lot less snow up and down in these parts. 519, thank you Sarah for waiting for me. I was driving 86 on the interstate, 87. You waited. I hope you get to the boys on time by 6. Alright, head back to Millbank and just hope that this storm doesn't hit us. I want school tomorrow on a Friday. If we don't have school, we make it up on Thursday, May 18th. Qdoba is for supper. Twins lead 2-0 in the opener at Kansas City. It is 5:39. 10 minutes ago, Craig Vanderbeek texted me,
and the 3-2 he walked, missed inside ball 4, and that's what Pasquantino
indicated no school in Millbank tomorrow. Sure enough, in advance of the blizzard, there is no school in Millbank. It'll be made up on May 18th.
Represents the tying run. Pitch, a check swing, he went around, strike 3 and a breaking ball. The Twins win the game 2-0 on opening day.
Let the season end, please.
The Twins win just their second road opening day game since 2010.
Good for them. It can be over now. Thank you. Good night.
Care what you say anymore. This is my life.
March 30th, Millbank, South Dakota. 6:34 p.m., 30 degrees. Winter storm warning.
Blizzard warning begins at noon tomorrow and continues until 7 a.m. Saturday. 28 tonight under cloudy skies, northeast winds 8 to 15 miles per hour. A mixture of precipitation likely tomorrow, 32. From the South Dakota State Lottery Weatherology.
Just before 8 o'clock on Friday night, and this is what we have. Plenty of snow, plenty of wind. Interstate shut down from Watertown to the North Dakota border. Also I-90 closed, most of it anyway. Most of the day was calm and clear. Could have had school. I'd say the freezing rain started about 2:30 in the afternoon. There's some heavy stuff under this white stuff. And they're going to plow, I think, tomorrow morning.
The city of Millbank has issued a snow alert effective at 2 a.m. Saturday, April 1st until plowing is completed. All vehicles must be off of the street. Tickets will be issued for vehicles parked on the street. Thank you.
Gotta head to Unity, gotta get the legs stronger, absolutely have to. Tired of the knees hurting, gotta stretch, gotta get better tonight, I know. Be easy to stay at home. Racquetball tournament coming up in 3 weeks. It's time to get better tonight. Gotta do it. March 31st, 8:01 p.m. unitized. That just might be Scotty Mueller's vehicle. All right. You can almost see the tennis courts. $9:27. It's gotten a lot worse out here on Friday night. Yeah, we're going out like a lion. Like a lion waterfall right now. Holy moly, you can't see much. You can see lights over there though. Wow. Snowblower in the morning. Racquetball in Watertown tomorrow, I just don't know. It is very difficult to see right now. It's probably easier to see in the camera, it doesn't look that bad, but phones, cameras just don't do it justice.